I'm Sheila Payne from Curacao, and I'm very, 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 very happy to be here with you all. In Curacao, we speak a language, a Creole language called Papiamentu. Papiamentu. Can you repeat it? Yes. And that's also a Creole language. And I'm going to tell you a story, and I'm going to sing a song. But I need your help. Okay. This story is about Firefly commitment to his wife, Shiwana. I'm going to sing the song and you will try to repeat it so we can sing it together. It goes like this. Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba. Okay, you can try it. Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba. Okay, let's try it. You all are going to sing it and I'm going to listen. 1, 2, 3. I would sing that song and the wind was getting so angry, so he was sending lightning and thunder and rain falling and Firefly is falling down again. But then Firefly thinks again on his song and Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, Shiwana, kasmitaba, wife Shiwana. That was my story. And in Curacao we say, a la fin, a la fan, e cuenta acaba. Thank you very much. You can sing the song. Shiwana, kasmitaba.